Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will share with you the idea of how to make a balloon seahorse, so let's get started. I made a knot on a modeling balloon, size to 160, inflate a lilac balloon, size 18 inches, put the knot to the top of the balloon and push it inside so that the knot appears on the back side. Then, I tie the knot tightly with a modeling balloon. Now I inflate the purple balloon to its factory size, tie a knot, tie a balloon for modeling to a knot. After that, I inflate a lilac 12-inch balloon with 18 full pumps. I'm tying a knot. I tie a balloon for modeling to a knot, then cutting off half of the balloon for modeling and making an apple twist. Now I'm tying both balloons together. Next, I make a chain out of a pink balloon for modeling size to 160. The chain consists of 8 bubbles. The size of each bubble is 2 fingers. I tie a chain between two balloons and cut off the extra part.
Now I'm making a scallop. I'm inflating 20 light green 5-inch balloons with 2 full pumps each. I tied balloons in pairs and punched each pair under the balloon for modeling. I'm inflating a similar pair of balloons to give a triangular shape to the scallop in front. To make the scallop brighter, I decided to add pink balloons. I made 3 pairs of pink 5-inch balloons and inflated each balloon with 2 full pumps. I tied them in pairs. I thread the pink balloons between the green ones so they attach perfectly. The next step is I make a nose for a seahorse. I inflate a pink balloon, size to 160, tie it into a knot, and push the knot inside the balloon. Grab the knot from the opposite side, twist the balloon, tie it, and give it an arc-shaped shape. Similarly, I make a tail. To make the tail, I use a blue modeling balloon, size 360. I inflate a balloon with 5 full pumps, tie it, using a balloon stick. I push the knot to the opposite side, grab the knot, tie the tail, and make an arc-shaped shape. Now I'm tying two balloons together and cutting off the extra part. The lower part of the scallop is very movable, but this is not a problem. We will fix it a little later. I glue the spout with double-sided tape. Two blue 12-inch balloons are used to make the fins. I put the balloon from modeling size to 160 inside the blue balloon and inflate it with 4 full pumps. Then I tie a balloon for modeling and give it the shape of a heart. I tie both blue balloons, then I tie them together and fasten them on the figure. Now, to fix, kill the parts of the scallop, I inflate a pink balloon, size 5 inches by 2 full pumps. I divide the balloon in half, tie it and fasten it on the bottom of the figure between the green balloons. Then I glue them with double-sided adhesive tape to the top row. All further decor is at your request. From the rest of the pink balloon for modeling size 360, I made lips and glued eyes. The figure is ready. It is very beautiful, light and durable. Thank you for watching us.